Hello YouTube, welcome back to our channel. I hope you are doing really well. So in this series we will learn how to do professional makeup at home step by step. In the first video of this series we will learn how to prep your face for makeup. When we talk about makeup, there are a lot of makeup related accessories come to mind. But we underestimate the most crucial step to make your makeup wonderful, and that is to prep your face for makeup itself. If you wish to have a flawless makeup, then you should follow some simple steps which I am going to share with you in this video. The prep process is also known as CTM. If you are wondering what CTM is, so let me explain for you. Where C stand is for cleansing, T stand is for toning, and M stands for moisturizing. But my version is not CTM, that is CTM-SP. Now if you are wondering what SP is, so S stands for sunscreen and P stands for primer. So you might ask what the benefit of the following process is. Okay, let's go step by step, shall we? So the first step is cleansing and exfoliating your face. Before explaining what cleansing actually does, I want to share one thing with you. We got to be a bit wise when you are choosing your cleanser. If you have a dry skin, then surely you should go with the cream cleanser because that will clean the face and moisturize your skin. If you have an oily skin, then you should go with the gel and the foam cleanser that will help you to get rid of all the dirt and it cleans your face. If you have a combination skin, then you should go with the cleanser that is specially designed for the combination skin. Now for the exfoliation part, use your usual exfoliator that will help to remove the dead skin cells. It improves the texture of your skin and helps in enclosing the pore as well. Now let's move to the step 2, that is toner. Many of us, we just don't bother about the toner, but this is also a very important step and you shouldn't skip it. Please avoid alcohol based toner because that might dry your skin too much. So for that, alcohol free toner is the best choice ever. So what toner actually does? Toning will help in balancing pH, tightening pores and removing dirt. Now how to use a toner? What you can do, you can take a cotton pad, you just pour some amount of toner on that and then gently wipe all over your face. Now let's talk about the third step, and that is moisturizer. I would advise that before the makeup, always use a day moisturizer, not a night moisturizer, because night moisturizer is a bit heavy. Make sure your day moisturizer should have at least SPF 15, so it will save your skin from the sun exposure. For oily skin, your moisturizer should be oil free, and for the dry skin, your moisturizer should be thicker. One word of advice is to you that at least wait 15 to 20 minutes before going to the next step. So let's move on to the fourth step, and that is primer. There are worlds of primer available in the market, so choose your primer according to your needs. What primer does? Primer actually make a soft layer on your face, so which stop your face oil mixing with the makeup, and it also help in keeping your makeup smooth and long lasting. Now how to apply a primer? What you can do, you can apply with your finger or you can use your makeup brushes as you wish. Step number 5, that is sunscreen. If your moisturizer doesn't have the SPF, then you should definitely apply the sunscreen lotion after moisturizing your face. Never skip the sunscreen even if you are not exposed to sun. And the last step is moisturizing your lips as well. Before putting any lipstick color, you should be sure that your lips are properly moisturized or hydrated. I'm sharing the link in the description below where you can go and find the products which I use. If you follow the above steps, your makeup will look stunning. So here you go, this was all what you needed for preparing your face for makeup. Those who are interested in my skincare routine, I will share in upcoming video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.